Once upon a time in a green forest, there lived a little bunny named Benny. Benny loved carrots more than anything else. Every day, he hopped around the forest, collecting as many carrots as he could and hiding them in his burrow. One sunny morning, Benny saw his friend Sally the Squirrel looking sad. "Why are you so sad, Sally?" asked Benny. "My food is all gone, and I'm so hungry," she replied softly. Benny thought for a moment. He had many carrots hidden in his burrow, but he didn't want to share. So, he hopped away without saying a word. That night, Benny couldn't sleep. His tummy was full, but his heart felt empty. He remembered Sally's sad face and realized that keeping everything for himself wasn't making him happy. The next morning, Benny carried a big basket of carrots to Sally's tree. "Good morning, Sally. These are for you," he said with a smile. Sally's eyes lit up with joy. "Thank you, Benny. You're the kindest friend ever." From that day on, Benny shared his carrots with all his forest friends. And to his surprise, they also shared their food with him: nuts, berries, and even apples. Benny learned that sharing not only makes others happy but also makes you feel loved and never alone. Glowing star moral of the story: happiness grows when we share with others.